Do you know the specific manifestations of mycotoxin poisoning in poultry? Mycotoxin is a toxic secondary metabolite produced by mold or fungus under suitable conditions. It is widely found in grain, feed, and feed ingredients. Infected feed is easy to cause a variety of poisoning symptoms and even death of animals, and can threaten human health through the food chain. Mycotoxins pose a great challenge to the healthy and sustainable development of animal husbandry and human food safety. Do you know the specific manifestations of mycotoxin poisoning in poultry? If you don't know, check out my video. Aflatoxin B1 mainly affects the liver and immune system of poultry. Poultry may have jaundice, anemia, ascites, extensive bleeding of tissues and organs, hemorrhagic enteritis, and liver disease death. Deoxynivalenol mainly affects the digestive tract of poultry. The symptoms of poultry were crop ulcer, edema of proventriculus and gizzard. Droppings contain undigested feed, diarrhea, and so on. It is often accompanied by necrotic enteritis. T2 toxin mainly affects the function of lymphocytes and can cause early immunosuppression in chicks. The manifestations of poultry are a sudden drop in egg production, oral lesions, and nervous system disorders. Zalalenone mainly affects the reproductive system of poultry, resulting in decreased egg production, decreased eggshell quality, folliculae and fallopian tubulations, and decreased semen quality of breeders. Ochratoxin can damage the liver, kidneys, and immune organs of poultry. Poultry will present with anorexia, diarrhea, severe dehydration, kidney swelling, kidney bleeding, liver and kidney pallor. Fumonisin mainly impairs the immune system of poultry and causes immunosuppression. Poultry produces black viscous coking coal oily feces, often accompanied by necrotic enteritis. Do your poultry have any of these symptoms? Prevent mycotoxin poisoning in advance to ensure economic benefits of poultry breeding. Bile acids can accelerate the degradation of mycotoxins. Nonpolar groups of bile acids discharged into the gut bind to mycotoxins, which are lipophilic, enhancing the water solubility of the toxin. In addition, bile acids can improve the enzymatic hydrolysis ability of intestinal enzymes, esterase, cyclooxygenase, to toxins, so that mycotoxins can be transformed into non-toxic substances, which can be excreted with feces to reduce the harm of mycotoxins.